Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're ready to build eye-catching, high-converting pages on Shopify, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use PageFly, one of the most popular page builder apps for Shopify, updated for 2024. By the end, you'll know how to get PageFly up and running, navigate the latest version's interface, build a custom page from scratch or with a template, and publish it live on your store. Let's jump straight in. First, on your Shopify dashboard, head up to the search bar. That's your handy shortcut for finding apps fast. Type in PageFly and look for PageFly Page Builder in the results. Go ahead and select it. Now, you'll see an option to install the app. Click Install and give it a few moments. It'll connect PageFly with your Shopify store so you can start designing right away. Once you're installed, look over to the left sidebar of Shopify. You'll spot a new section below PageFly Page Builder. This is where the magic happens. Here's a quick overview. You've got AI Sales Page, which can help you quickly generate content and layouts using artificial intelligence. Pages, for managing all your landing and product pages. Sections for reusable page elements. Analytics to track performance. CRO Center for conversion rate optimization tips, and extra functions and preferences for fine-tuning the app to your needs. At this stage, don't feel overwhelmed by all the options. Imagine this like a toolbox. Each tool serves a purpose depending on what you want to build. To start building, click on Pages. This is where you can view all your existing pages and, more importantly, create new ones. You have two choices: create blank page or create from template. If you're after a totally custom layout with your own vision, choose Create Blank Page. But if you'd prefer to save time and get inspiration from pre-made examples, select Create from Template. For this walkthrough, let's go with Create Blank Page, so you see the full creative flexibility. Once you click Create Blank Page, PageFly will ask you to select the type of page you want to make. For example, you might pick a product page, a home page, or a collection page. Take a moment and choose what fits your goal. This sets up the structure for your next steps. Now, take a look at the left sidebar inside the PageFly editor. This is your command center. You'll see options like Page Content, which lets you add headings, text, images, videos, and other basic elements to your page. There's Elements, full of customizable design blocks, third-party elements for integrating other apps. Page Template, if you want to change up your style with a single click. SEO optimization, to help your page get found by customers. Page Settings, for details like titles and descriptions, and even A/B testing so you can try out different versions of your page and see which performs best. If you want to speed things up or start with a professional design, click into Page Templates. Browse through the available options until you find a layout you love. PageFly's templates are thoughtfully designed to work for a range of businesses, so whether you're selling handmade jewelry or digital downloads, you'll find something that gets you started. Select your template, and now the real fun begins. You can customize absolutely every section. Swap out images, tweak the text, add your brand colors, or rearrange elements using drag and drop. Don't be afraid to experiment. PageFly saves your progress as you work, so you won't lose changes. Once you're happy with your page, double-check your settings and SEO details to make sure customers can easily find it. When everything looks polished, hit Publish. Within seconds, your new page will go live on your Shopify store. And that's it. You've just built and published a PageFly page using the latest version. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I love hearing what you're working on. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify and PageFly guides so you can keep transforming your store into something amazing. Thanks for watching.